I spent 20 some years in Louisiana, so comparing this to what I went through back there, there's a lot of difference. But I mean, really, you can look at the difference between the river. If you took a transit and shot it from here to there, you're talking about there's 4 to 5 feet difference, between what the river is and where the home's set. So it'd have to really get going, you know. They might open the gates in, let a little more water come down the river because it starts raining again. You got to do something with it. Now we've had the Fresno Fire Department out here to come and check it, and then we had Madera Fire Department to come out and look too. They're not just pushing us to the side and say, "Oh, you're dry, so we're not going to check on you." But what I do, I kind of pray for the people downstream that's having all their problems. And Tulare, Kingsburg, down through there. They're having a lot more serious problems than we are right here, right now.